Vinatana kan topic hi error spotting current affairs le for example si chen khat kha kan khoi to ma se tun tu ma hi cha achidang de chi kan enanga for example chuan atir bera enge sentence emo passage khan asoi tum kha zon chwa phut kan tumang ti chuan dikta karem phom ol sambi ti chuan sentence a abul channa imelang sentence bul tira chuan mishing min hun min ngai dan zong zong ang kha man chhenia closing sentence a ve thum chuan therefore thus hence etc mo khatyang ho ang zong zong kha suggestions thuron le atlang pui suinan khan kan khar chin bok ani sentence bul channa ali atop na ang kha kan zon na sakber pui mo tinani chu chuan ka step 1 na lo ni ta se step 2 na looking for the opening sentence tiania kha bo kha karon sui zo vek ta therefore has hence ti khania chuan step 2 na chuan in with the sentences together in ya construct the sentences together in me with to construct in and sentence bul clearly atop ishat so chuan construct all sum to a middle sentence a hian thil ti emo hun emo events poimo dewo tlang pui chin bokani chuan adang soi le ka du chu english a chuan subject plus verb plus object kha sharangula ti chuan sentence a chuan pronoun I noun kha an hmang ma sa jok chin ti kha theng hello bukula entianan Jane went to the market lo ni ta se Jane hi chu bazar akal ti lo ni ta se ni kha chu Jane chu naw na ni ya a om ma sa ta ni cha anwa Jane went to the market she bought vegetables lo ni ta se anwa chu she mo pronoun ha kan hmang chawani kha nge apoi mo ni for example sa chang kha sha ring tu ania chuan kan tinghal de mo bonga number 1 hi en ula keep their inner life tightly under control. Educational institutions seldom serve as precise mirrors of historical change because pedagogic and administrative rituals that have nicely preserved an empty shell of a special inherited identity in ya ai dat lo noi kan ong tan ye chahi kan rem phom nga chuanin hi option hi anula I a b c d e ti tura I palicha awanda ta heta hianin sentence atel velo mo phrase po ti theng chu tel velo kha kan nge adang le na connect na nei lo kha kan jong chok bok do na ni chuan han en bang bang hula ena hian small letter in jana keep mo their inner life keep ke hi small letter ania abul tira thilo shim shima chuan ama ka sei tlang khan nam ten jong ma saberang noun na ma saber chu educational institution chenia institution hin noun ania chuwang chuan educational institution chena hi kan da ma saberang hi option a po si hi rin ta a sha thi me ta chuan an huwa opening ania chuan atop kharna ka mo closing sentence kha kan zon le chuanin enge tightly control hianin a sentence kha aron tipui sui cha ta ni ti chuan ka hanrem khom chin taila educational institutions seldom to rarely meta serve as precise mirrors of historical change because pedagogic and administrative rituals keep their inner life tightly under control. Answer to C na C D A B hello ni don ta ni chuanin number 2 na kan en lenga Number 2 na most importantly, the labor market, we can expect to see continued spillovers into other areas of the economy, combined with a broader unraveling of credit markets. Parliament should act quickly to keep the economy from stalling. Kanya, hey po here, han kan enchin le anga han inula hemi ina a sentence na asui tumtlang kuya lang ta chu economies areas of credit markets khana spillovers thei tur poimo ber chu labor market hi an ti khani ta spillovers kan ti chon pe se lo ta ka so khop ni ho ang khani ta khami sen tong kam khani ta chuan nang shan pa atira pakhat ma hi a lo ta ni nang shan pa in maran hong lo ta chuan option E hian thil dang hlak aron sei boka chu wang chuanin hemi hi chu adik effect ina ni chu entirnan DCBA launita se DCBA oh launita se DCBA combined with border and rebelling of into another country sentence ka construction ka diklauta ni chuwang chuan no correction required here. Most importantly, the labor market, we can expect to see continued spillovers into other areas of the economy combined with the broader unraveling of credit markets. Can sentence karon dik the klapani chu. Chuan Trina hi in homework atan karon siama. Chuan porna hi kan en lenga porna hian now ni mo pronunciation pa umlawa a sentence meaning to ring kan rem homanga han en bang taula I hian thil dang dei ako buka that him it's way last year hian sentence bang akonek lo shima chuanin handrem form taila while announcing the name it's struck to make this evident even at the risk of reducing an appraisal of the great writers such as Isiguro to a tried high school essay more ani chuanin answer to DBAC 4A nani chu chuan 5 na in homework lo ni se chuan Government Affairs kan enlokanga the Reserve Bank of India RBI has cancelled the license of Pune-based Raji Rayo Bosel Sahakari Bank. The bank ceases to carry on banking business with effect from the close of business on May 31. The bank does not have adequate capital and earning prospects as such it does not comply with the provisions of the Banking Regulations Act 1949 India. Shibaji Rayo Bosel Sahakari Bank chu RBI in unlicensed and top saka many something pukhada changkhan he bank punya hian na anthok to lawa he bank hian in Banking Regulation Act 1949 hi azom lo wang ani paga capital le sum na tha ani lo wang ani mo pakai no chin chabonga hi apoimwa Chuan Panina digital payments provider ATM is going to launch its initial public offering and raise about $3 billion around 1,800 crore, which would be India's largest IPO debut ever. India digital payments ATM Chuan initial public offering and launch dona $3 billion a top swap to invest in India IPO lian le changpung dara an nai India. So number 3 na HDFC Bank has planned to become carbon neutral by 2031 to 32. Bank is now looking to reduce its emissions, energy and water consumption. In 2031 at 32 well at one HDFC Bank on carbon neutral ang yatuma binyanin kasenalo tukute so anasinasal tukule tuiman ganasal tukul Iza ang matong tianya higi homework kapedi so wa carbon neutral ini ilaw sa oh swan for example akan tangkir le anga for example number 6 na here as the LTT displays the other Tamil militias and became dominant to its ambitions of a separate state. The abuses perpetrated by the warring actors, they boldly changed its political choices, which they felt subordinated the well-being of the Tamil people. Kenya, Hansiar ula, si hian til dangde asuya, chuan bi hian a summary around so the boka closing sentence kinan so ani chuanin a le si a cha hianin b tok na kan nei ta chuan d le a hi di thina chen oma ma che option a hian d a b ti cha ina oma b la closing sentence tur ania ma se I hian nge aron the meaningful le che a chu bang chuan c hi right answer ni a d e b ti hi a d b e ani chuan as the LTTE displays the other Tamil militias and became dominant, able to challenge its political choices, which they felt subordinated the well-being of the Tamil people to its ambitions of a separate state. Number 7 ayan. Are expected to bring their regional expertise. A hi an ula R atanga sentence R atang sentence a in chen ngai lo shin chen ma thil su ya e he chu alai hola tu ti kha chen sa ta B po R in chena sentence reng English R in kan chen ngai lo wa ani chuan A le B chu alai hola ni ti kha shat me tu na sentence lai hola tu ani chuan in E traditionalist kan mu ani anwa yan traditionalist how to and society custom le hey winda no and beliefs khak ngai la ring top chin mi kan ti ang ho chi khan ya a sentence dignan chuan E B C D E hi angai da ni chen chu traditionalist chu noun tin a soi thei khamir wang khan E a sentence meaningful nan chuan E E B C D the answer to me. Although traditionalists may argue that foreign affairs are in the exclusive domain of the Union government, the successful outcome of the request made by the Kerala Chief Minister has been widely applauded. Her right answer to Luni don't find it. One number 8 na in homework and yang one 9 na po in homework at ang karon nga 10 na po in homework nang manin lo tila chanin in homework here ron submit thap bu go ti kha in ron submit anga chanin kan sha thang lo lai ti kan dan shil pe adon ya chuan number 4 na current affairs he chu 4 na le 5 na chu soifia ga banga lo in sha thang ben kan nga kan se ve shim shim nga first Indian female wrestler to reach the WWC finals too, and Sue Malik India. Chuan Sarita Moore wins bronze. More. Number 6, Cyclone Duhawm that hit Odisha and Andhra Pradesh originated in Bay of Bengal, named by Pakistan. Cyclone Duhawm to Pakistan in hnen pek ania. Cyclone Tikhat ani. Chuan 7. Digi Saksham initiative to enhance employability of youth launched by Minister of Labor and Employment. And that's one Labor and Employment Minister to Bhupender Yadav. Shadran Bhupender Yadav. One next akan kalanga error spotting here sentence correction. Number 1 adik lo lai kha kan thang chuak do ni error spotting a chuan adik lo lai ka hi A B C D and kan pea adik lo lai kan thang chuak anga. Number 1, the farmer finds it difficult to find buyers to sell their fresh organic produce. Kenya ni error omlawang thu pani one ma hi chuan diklo omlo tin ani chu he sentence adik thapa farmer ai hianin s rom delta se shadring to error spotting a chang grammar apoi mo vocabulary ni lawin grammar apoi mo grammar ha diklo chuan khami phrase big kha diklo tinan me the farmer finds indian farmer a hian s ta se farmers ni ta se finds in tolawang find mo find find remote achang chu a farmer he tan ron manga singular noun ania chuan plural verb aron manga adik cha chuanin adanga se chen tu amlawa chuwang chuan 1 na 2 E. Here right answer, no error. 1B na hi en le taula. It were not Mr. Casrewal's fault that the BJP mayors are incompetent and corrupted. They were not invited, said Sanjay Singh Kinia. Kami hi ayan enge diglaw lai hi min shit hin amen. Grammatical error enge diglaw chan. Adiklo chan chu it were kan tingai lo ni it was more kakasha rentor grammatically dictur chuan it was kan teacher it were kan tingai lo chuan a right answer to a na hi diklo dinani chu error dinani chu chuan pathum na hin en leila the Supreme Court says Canadian judges has been to serve on punishment for 30 years in giving. Hey, sharing to errors putting on some proper jumbles and 100 from Mailawa. Yan and the kapama se grammar di la hakan zong with 20 or errors putting on some sharing to Johnny Trina yan sharing to he had a yanin Bina a yan or Bina a yanin judges has a thing judge Indian has mang to John judge ni ro ta ngai AC appeal do ni la mi pakhat chawni John has kan mang chin ama pum de sai to kha India has kan de chin India have kan ngai la chin so India kha singular country pakhat cha anya ma se India in USA la ni ka se ka pyanga kha chan have and mang has and mang to lo kha sharing to ne judges has ti ngai lo judges have ti tu nya has aya have ti tu nya judges plural ani wangin chu wang chuan Trina a chuan a diklo chu B na hi ni chuan 4 na hi in homework anyanga 5 na po in homework chuan number 6 ni in le logila roy ron sura ko hin sha them number 6 na hanin grammatical error umlia sentence a negative adverb kan han reng hardly detail scarcely mo barely rarely under no circumstances ta po number 6 na po under no circumstances around mang cha ta le adang shim hatyang hawa khanin kan han mai kan tam tak kan manin you would be allowed kan tingai lo ni would you be you le would take can change chuan you would be nilawin would you be titur ani so wang chuan b na hi error ani chuan number 7 na kan en lenga the errors putting point junction in on chuan thina hey a difference in shot kan mai karina ikata khan boy lo turania in ang veka chuan number 7 na ai hanin she held something at her side which was totally hiding by the folds of her sari in ya kan en bang ula sina a hianin biklo ta grammar hiding milawin hidden titurania chantu third form of verb kan hang chuni she held mo past tense so number 8 na number 8 na hi homework ko za ka hi homework anya nga 9 po in homework hin ron submit nga chaning kan discuss hawang number 10 na ila I declined the invitation not because I did not want to go but because I have no time in ya maybe sentence up yanin han en le ulam decline le did yan past tense aron mga past tense ani to chuan because I have no time ani thirani have I had more past tense man turania chuwang chuan then here right answer to D ni yan error on tenani so